Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to practice a 10-minute morning yoga flow, which will be for absolute beginners and you don't need any equipment. So warm up well before practicing this flow. I'll put the link in the description for the warm up video. So let's get started. Starting on the front of your mat, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, Samastiti. We're gonna do classical Surya namaskar for 2 times. Now inhale, raise your arms up, slide, bend your back. Exhale, come down slowly, bend your knees one by one. Warm up your hamstrings, warm up the back side of your leg. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend the knee, straight back, hold the forward fold. Inhale, slowly exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. Now step your left foot back. Inhale and look towards the front. Make sure that your knee is in line with your ankle, vertical to the ground. Hold the pose. Inhale. Exhale. If you cannot touch the ground yet, then you can place your palms on your knees. Inhale. Relax your shoulders. Exhale. Now, step your right foot back. Come to downward dog. Try to push your heels towards the ground. Inhale. Push your chest towards the ground with your exhalation. Now, place your knees, chest and chin down on the mat. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Once again, inhale. Keep your hips lifted up. Exhale. Now slide forward. Inhale, lift your chest up. Use your back muscles to keep your chest lifted up. Don't lift up high. Keep it low. Inhale, use your back muscles. Exhale. Once again, inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Same thing. Push your chest towards the ground and heels towards the ground. Now inhale. Step your left foot forward. Right knee on the ground. Front leg perpendicular to the ground. Inhale, look towards the front. Hold the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tuck your toes, bring it forward and hold the forward fold. You can bend the knees one by one, or if you like to hold the pose, then go ahead. Hold it. 5, bend the knees straight back. You can hold anywhere in your leg, either your ankle, shin, or even the knee, according to your flexibility. Now inhale, raise your arms up, slightly bend your back. Now exhale, come to Inhale, bend the back, raise your arms. Exhale, come down. Hold your knees or shin or ankle according to your flexibility. Or you can bend the knee and touch the ground with straight back. Hold the pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step your right foot back. Place the knee on the ground. Inhale, look towards the front. Inhale, slowly exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale and come to downward dog. Try to push your heel towards the ground. Push your chest towards the ground with each exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Now bring the knee, chest and chin down on the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your pelvis lifted up. Inhale. Exhale. Now slide forward. Inhale. Lift your chest up. Use your back muscles. Squeeze your glutes. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale, come to downward dog once again. Hold. You can bend the knees one by one, or you can hold the pose. Now bring your right foot forward. Place the left knee on the ground. Inhale, look towards the front. Hold the pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes, bring it back, front, bring it front and do the forward fold. Hold the pose, you can bend the knee. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, Savasana. Again, inhale, raise your arms up, and we're gonna do the chair pose. Stay here. Again, inhale, raise your arms up, slide bend back. Exhale, chair pose. Again, inhale, exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward fold once again. Now step your left foot back. Place it on the ground. Place your palms on your knees. And then we're gonna straighten the front leg and bend it. Push your hips towards the ground. Again, straighten the knee. Bend the knee. Exhale, straighten the knee, bend the knee. Straighten the knee, bend the knee, hold it here. Push your hips towards the ground. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now straighten the knee once again and place your palms on your waist and hold the pose. You can come down as far as you can and hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax, tuck your toes, come back to downward dog. Inhale and exhale, bend the knees one by one. Now left leg comes forward. Place the right knee on the ground and palms on your left knee and straighten the leg. 1, 2, 3, slowly, 4. Do each and every movement with control and synchronize with your breathing. 5. Now hold the low lunge as far as you can. Push your hips down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now hold the half split. You can go down as far as you can. Place your palms on your waist. Hold it there. 5, 4, flex your foot. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now step your left foot back. Once again, come to downward dog. Hold the downward dog for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down, swing your legs forward. We are going to do the forward fold movement. What you're going to do is interlace your fingers, turn it upward, jerk forward and back, forward and back. Make sure your back is straight. 3, 2, and 1. Place your palms on the ground, or you can hold your shin, ankle or your knees according to your flexibility level. Be gentle with your body. Back straight. Inhale and exhale. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your knees, lift your feet up the mat and hands straight. Hold it here for 5, 4. If you find it difficult, then you can place the palm on the ground and hold the pose. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down. Lie down on your back. Bring your feet closer to your glutes so that your middle finger touches your heel. Now slowly lift up your hips as high as you can. Squeeze your lower back, squeeze your thighs, squeeze your glutes. Slowly bring it down. Again, lift up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift up. and hold. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Inhale and exhale. 4 and 5. Bring it down. Hug your knees. Rock side to side. Massage your lower back. Now let go of the left leg. Bring the right knee towards the chest. And slowly bring the right knee towards the left side. Straighten the right arm towards the right side. And look towards the right hand. Inhale. And exhale. This is a gentle lying twist. It will help you to mobilize your spine and help you to get rid of chronic lower back pain. Relax here. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly bring your right knee to the center. Hold it here for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Release the right knee, then the left knee. Now twist the left knee towards the right side and torso towards the left. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the left knee to the center. Now let go of the knee and relax in Savasana. Inhale and exhale. Relax all the muscles of your body. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyelids. Relax your cheeks. Relax your lips. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your mind. Inhale. Exhale and relax your shoulders. Relax your forearms. Relax your chest. Relax your belly, your hips. Relax your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, relax your knees, shin, ankle, feet, and your toes. Inhale. Exhale. You can stay here in Savasana for as long as you want, but if you are ready, we're gonna wind up. Slowly turn to one side and sit down in front of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bring it to the eyebrow center and then to the heart center. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Hare Krishna.